guys, it's me again, your teacher Reina. Now I'm going to teach you the song Arirang. This is a folk song of Korea. We're going to sing this song in the key of F. Now, the chords that we need to remember are, first, of course, F. Start from the second string, first fret, fourth string, second fret. The next chord is B flat. Start clipping the two strings, first and second string, first fret, then third string, second fret, fourth string, third fret. B flat. The next chord is D minor. Start from the second string, first fret, fourth string, second fret, then third string, second fret. D minor. The next chord is C. First string, third fret. Basic. C. The next chord is A minor. A minor is at the fourth string, second fret. Okay. Fourth string, second fret. That's A minor. Then the last chord is B flat minor. Clip the first, second, and third string, first fret, and then fourth string, third fret. B flat minor. Next is we're going to do the strumming pattern. This is in the 3/4 time signature. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, ang ating strumming pattern for this song will be all down 3 times per measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, 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 down. Okay? Now, let's try the strumming pattern in the F chord. F, then down, down, down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Down, 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 down. Alright. Okay, let's move on. The intro for the song will be F, then B flat, F, B flat. Okay, hanggang B flat. 1, 2, 3. Tapos, next, the first line is F, B flat, D minor, then C. Okay. Arirang, arirang, arariyo. Okay, next line is D minor, then F, B flat, F. Okay, next line, A minor, then D minor, then F, C. REUL, BEORIGO, GASINEUN. Okay, next, D minor, B flat minor, F. NIDO, MOTGASEO, BALBBYEONGNANDA. Okay, let's start singing the song from the top. 1, 2, 3.